For this video, we'll be going over how to connect hearing aids to software through Noah. So go ahead and open Noah. Once Noah opens, go ahead and find your patient, select them, make sure their audiogram pops up, and then depending on what software manufacturer you need, select that from the top here. So we're going to work with Phonak today. It's one of the more common manufacturers you'll see in clinic. So it'll pop up with this screen. Go ahead and click New Fitting Session, and it'll bring you here, and you want to hit Connect up top. Now here you want to turn off the hearing aids and turn them back on to get them to connect. Once they connect or are found, the Noah Link Wireless will light up both sides. And I want to select both. You can click on the button of the aid to figure out which is which, if left and right are not assigned yet. Press continue. And then depending on what you're doing, so if you're doing a new fitting, go ahead and start a new fitting, or if you read what they have from last time. Once settings selected, the hearing aids will connect to the software. And once connected, you have the choice to unmute the aids or continue muted. Once you close this, it will bring you to this first screen to select the specifics of your hearing aids, such as receiver, dome size, and wire length. Once they match the hearing aids you have, go ahead and save and close when you're done with programming in the top right corner.